Hey everyone, wanted to have an update on our 214 project, so to keep you all up to date what's happening with it. So in front of me I have this undamaged 214 chassis, which I was lucky to buy in Germany, and basically it has all that I will need for the black damaged one to repair. So it came without the drivetrain, it had the interior inside, so because ours damaged, so we have the interior in place. We have battery removed, so it means we will use our own. As we saw in previous episodes, ours is undamaged, so it's the same 214 chassis, also with panoramic sunroof. The only difference is that it's all-terrain as well as silver color. So my goal now is to strip it a bit more, so we prepare it for painting. And at the moment I will keep my black one 214 model untouched, basically, so that when we have this one painted and in black color, we just put them side by side, and it's just the easiest way not to lose things, not to forget things, just swapping from one to another. So I hope this project will not take too long. But yeah, we're fixing it. We will fix the 214 model, we will drive it, and we will see how it goes. Today we have to move on with the stripping the car apart for preparing to paint it. We needed black color, if you remember.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of A to Beijing, man, ain't know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. I'm faced with a lot of different choices these days. Do a rock and roll Lex account of Blueface. The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brother since 6th grade. G-Wagon red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported these. Thanking God for the life he afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, acting like the hood. I need a brown skinned chick just like Megan Good. Holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the background, it's a serenade. Been rapping 10 years, boy, this ain't a phase. I paid dues, paid rent, and I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot, I had real pain. But thank God, cause we really on a better days. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back.
So what I want to do today is to remove the trim, to disassemble the doors. That includes windows, handles, window regulators and trims and so on. To strip a bit more maybe front. I don't know about the ESP block because I don't want to get too much involved and to dig too deep because everything's covering up, so painters will somehow manage to cover things as well. These doors a bit more disassembly. It became like a house for my cat as well, so we need to have this disassembled more because painters already told that my other project is finished painting. I can show you in video, next video as well. So let's just move on and see where we get to. Let's keep on moving and making this 214 road worthy again. Thanks for watching.